Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dolly and today's video is going to be on this particular eye look, which to be honest is way out of my comfort zone. I have been wanting to do a blue based eye look since quite some time, ever since I ordered this eyeshadow from Colourpop. This is coconut and it's a super shock shadow and it's a beautiful color, but so far I've only been using it on my lower lash line. This look is inspired by Chloe Morello's look. So she had done a Greece-inspired makeup look while on a holiday over there, and she used the Pat McGrath Mothership 4 palette, but I felt that the colors are pretty similar. The blue that she used is pretty similar. Maybe that's a little bit darker, more royal blue, and this is slightly more cobalt. But it is pretty similar, so I wanted to go ahead and try this out, and I was very apprehensive about how it's going to turn out, but I think I'm quite liking it. Of course, it would have looked much nicer had I worn false eyelashes, but I do not know how to put on false eyelashes. That's something I haven't learned yet. I'm just happy with mascara. So if you like it too, then keep watching to see how I did this. I'm starting with the shade Thunderhead, which is a medium neutral brown from the Sigma Smokescreen palette, and this works great as a transition shade. And then I'm just darkening it slightly with Almost Jet, again from the same palette, before I move on to the actual blue eyeshadow, which is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Coconut. I did try to pat it on with a brush because a brush gives you more precision on where you place the color, but you don't get that kind of intensity. With the Colourpop Super Shock shadows, you have to apply them with the finger to get the actual impact of the true color pigment. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just diffusing it slightly with a brush, and I've left a little bit of the middle portion blank because I want that halo effect. Then I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Frog, which is a very glittery shade and it's just beautiful. I'm applying it and then diffusing it and then again packing it on a little bit to increase the intensity. For my lower lash line, I'm applying a Lakme blue eye pencil and tight lining upper lash line and waterline with a black eye pencil. And then I'm just darkening the crease and outer corner and the lower rim with the Almost Jet shade before moving in with the liner, which is the Maybelline Colossal pen, and mascara is MAC Up For Everything Mascara. And for the brows, I'm using two shades from the HD Brows brow palette. Then I'm coming to the concealer, for which again I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade 26. For bronzer, I'm using the Giordani Gold Bronzing Pearls in dark bronze, and I chose to skip blush for this. For highlight, I went with the Nicopanda Gleamer face powder, the center white portion. And lipstick is my favorite nude lipstick, which is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Liquid Lip in Vague Obsession. I just love this color. And we're done. That is the finished look. So I hope you've liked this look. I am liking it quite a bit, and I feel that there's no age to play with color. There is no age to play with glitter. If you like it, if you're comfortable with it, then you can go ahead and use it in your makeup looks. And if it doesn't look good, you can always just clean it off. So I think it turned out pretty well. It was a gamble that paid off well, and I am liking it. I would love to know what you guys think about this look. So please do drop in all your comments below, all your feedback. I'm looking forward to reading them. And if you have liked this tutorial, then please do give it a thumbs up and share it and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know what other kind of looks you would like me to try. So I'm looking forward to reading all your comments, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.